before.
What are we doing here, Jimbo?
Turn around and polish it. Yeah.
Brake parts cleaner.
Work cut out for
Getting the diff fluid out of here.
This is my daily right here.
And send it.
I think we had fucking like 5 like camping chairs.
Yeah, that would be good. Miatas everywhere.
All red.
There you go.
Oh.
Fucking
Oh man, I ain't had marshmallows in a long time. This shit's pretty good.
Start shooting them motherfuckers. Do like
starting to catch.
But you get the diff fluid in the bottom fucking.
I know.
Oh, we're burning gaskets.
Well, that's fine. We'll just throw some RTV on it.
No.
Let's get down in here. The good stuff.
Back up.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm first.
Yes.
We good now.
Alright, there you go.
Yo, dog, look, my fucking shit's getting toasted. Yeah. We get over and on that flame.
Oh, fuck. Don't sling it.
Parts cleaner. How much we got left?
I don't know.
Hey, boys. Here we go. Oh, yeah,
fuck.
that's right. Oh, yeah. Get that. Get this thing. Oh.
I got the mutated one. It looks like a fucking finger.
That one's.
Oh yeah, this is about like yummy.
That's a really good.
Oh, dude, that's the stuff right there.
That's a good one.
Dude.
Mine was like.
Oh my god.
Hey, just like.
Do we keep doing this?
Just straight up, just hold.
Oh, Dad, fuck. Oh
I
man.
don't know if this is a good one.
Get down in it. There you go.
Non-square hot flakes.
Might have to trim it.
Yeah. So it needs to be semi.
It's good, dude.
How flush does it need to be?
But when you want to touch all, I mean, you're locking those two together.
Yeah. So that's about what I wanted.
So what you could do is just, I can get a screwdriver, hold that side down, and you can tack this side, tack it real good, and so if you have to, you can bend it down.
Yeah. A lot of filling. Need a brush. Bad.
We're gonna have to do at least one fluid change on this thing if you want it to survive.
Yep.